Hello guys, welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia, I'm your Russian language teacher, and today my students from the USA and England and Ireland traditionally celebrate Halloween. In the Russian-speaking countries, we don't celebrate this holiday, but sometimes you can see Halloween decorations in cafes or shops, so they use them to attract people and also to organize some sales and give discounts to their customers. So let's learn some Halloween vocabulary in Russian today. And our first word is тыква. Тыква. Pumpkin. Тыква. Ведьма. Witch. Ведьма. Ведьма. Шляпа. Hat. Шляпа. Шляпа. Метла. Broom. Метла. Метла. Ангел. Angel. Ангел. Черт. Devil. Черт. Фея. Fairy. Фея. Скелет. Skeleton. Скелет. Череп. Skull. Череп. Паук. Spider. Паук. Паутина. Net. Паутина. Вампир. Vampire. Вампир. Кладбище. Graveyard. Кладбище. Привидение. Ghost. Привидение. Дом с привидениями. Haunted house. Дом с привидениями. Летучая мышь. Bat. Летучая мышь. Чучело. Scarecrow. Чучело. Тут страшно. It's scary here. Тут страшно. Ужас. Horror. Ужас. Карнавал. Carnival. Карнавал. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon at our next Russian lesson.